Planning to explore Genoa, but don't want to drag your luggage with you all day? RadicalStorage offers a simple and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Genoa using RadicalStorage, a reliable platform with secure, insured storage services. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage is stored safely and fully insured while you explore. You can search for RadicalStorage online, but to avoid phishing sites, use the secure link in the video description to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once on the site, finding a luggage storage point in Genoa is easy. Just type Genoa into the search bar, and you'll be shown a list of storage locations across the city. Choose a location that's convenient for you, whether it's near tourist attractions, transportation hubs, or downtown Genoa. Next, select the drop-off and pick-up times that fit your schedule and proceed with the payment. RadicalStorage guarantees secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen luggage storage point. Upon arrival, simply show your reference to the staff, and they'll securely store your bags for you. That's it. Now you're free to explore Genoa without the burden of your luggage, knowing your belongings are safe with RadicalStorage. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.